Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by ensuring you have access, Chatgpt Plus or Enterprise, and that image generation is turned on. Once done, choose the model that supports Dall E3. This matters because capabilities differ. Now, craft your first prompt. State the subject, desired style, and aspect ratio, for example 16:9 for widescreen. Attach any reference images you plan to use. Make sure to keep constraints clear, colors, mood, and focal details, so the model can interpret intent correctly and avoid rework. Next, you build a layered prompt that guides generation. Start with the main concept, then add modifiers, lighting, camera lens, and color palette to shape the output. Explain composition, foreground, depth, and focal point. This reduces ambiguity. If you need changes, ask for variations or request targeted edits to a region. For example, brighten subject, reduce background clutter. Make sure to use negative constraints too, what to exclude, so results converge faster and you spend less time refining. To finish, pick the best variation, apply any upscale or download options, and save the final prompt for reproducibility. If the image misses key elements, iterate. Increase specificity, swap adjectives, or upload a clear reference image. This often corrects composition and style issues. If you see artifacts or odd anatomy, request 3 variations and then perform a targeted edit on the chosen version. One troubleshooting tip: when things go wrong, simplify the prompt and reintroduce details incrementally to isolate the problem.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.